Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And this time we have sort of, they are headphones, but they're really not headphones. This was, I don't know if it was Kickstarter or crowdfunder, whatever it was, a project a while ago that catch my interest because everybody knows that I sleep very bad. And these Kokoon, they even call Kokoon Relax Launch Edition, are headphones to help you sleep better. And they are not like, I was sort of interested in Bose sleep buds, I think they're called, that everybody seems to like. But I really don't like in-ear plugs. I try over and over, but I really don't like it. And I have sort of two problems. I have noisy neighbors, so I usually use your standard earplugs to kill the noise. But then I also have tinnitus. I don't know what the English word for it is. I have this sound in my ears all the time. So I usually have my fan going on in the bedroom just to kill out the beeping noise from my ears. But then I have the noisy neighbors, so I use the earplugs to kill the sound. But then the beeping noise in my head gets even louder. So a couple of problems with my sleep. And the earbuds, from what I understand, they're mostly directed to kill the noise outside if you have a partner that maybe snores or something like this. These are something else. These are, first of all, over-ear headphones. You have this sleeping mask. So, very soft, small but still big over-ear headphones. But the very special thing about these is that they measure your EEG. They measure your brain signals actually. So when you are asleep, your brain is working. That's why we have dreams, etc., etc. So these measure your sleep via your brain signals, and then somehow with sound and with sound canceling advance your sleep, help you sleep even better. So let's see how they feel, because I thought that you have the big cup, and I love the big cup because I have, I don't know, sensitive ears. I hate it when the pillow is just touching just the edge of my ear. But I see now that the cups on the inside is just like your, I don't know, like my Sony's or whatever. And the exterior part is just a frame to help you sleep better, I guess. Because even though you can have these on the airplane or train or whatever, these are made to be used when you are asleep. And they feel soft, and they are not turned on, and they kill the sound around me. So I hear my voice in my head instead of through my ears. So very soft. That's a good thing, because I was a bit afraid about how you could sleep with headphones this big. But I prefer this over the in-ear plugs. So let me see. You do most of the things you do by the app, of course, and with the app you can choose your standard help you go to sleep sound, like rainforest and the ocean or whatever. There's they're not charged at all, I think. So I'm gonna charge it, and then I'm gonna get back to you. But the app has these standard things, pink noise and white noise or whatever, everything to your standard things to help you sleep. And from what I understand, when the headphones measure your EEG, your brain signals while you sleep, they decide what sound is the best for you while you are asleep, if I get it correctly. So I'm gonna charge them, and then I'm gonna get back to you. So now we're going through our instruction video with a very warm, comforting voice. So the instruction video, mostly just told me that the headphones is going to learn my sleeping pattern, my brain activities, etc., etc. Then they want me to register it. But from what I understand, there is still a microphone on them. I can make phone calls. I can stream music just like any other headphones. So they are still usable as your standard headphones, but they are absolutely made for sleeping. That's the main thing. And even though there's no noise cancelling active now, I think they really close out all the sound. So it feels very strange to be talking right now because I only hear the voice in my head. So they are very comfortable, very soft, and the equalizer, if I could say so, feels very warm. So the voice in the video that I just saw, the sound is very warm, and I like that. That's just the way I like it. So let's see what the functions are. So a close-up. Here we see the very soft sensors that will measure my brain activity. And I like it that they're so very flexible. So even if you throw them away in your sleep and whatever, I think it's very hard to break them because they're very, very flexible. So these are the sensors. And I don't even see the speakers. I think there are small speakers here. But once again, they are not made for playing music. They are mostly made for measuring your brain activity. So the app wants to learn a lot of things about me, and I see here that we have 3 options: sleep quality, relaxation, and travel. And I really like that because I was a bit worried that they were not focused on traveling. And so yeah, so let's see. Sleep quality, how average, how often do you have trouble sleeping? Nightly. So here's a lot of things they want to learn about me to adjust the algorithm for me as just as a base, because they're still going to learn about me while measuring my brain activity. I like their options: physical discomfort or pain, worries. There are different kind of things that make you sleep bad. So yeah, I really like this. I'm really curious about how good it will help. Let's see, travel. So yeah, more or less the same kind of questions. But nice app. Yeah, the app is nice. Okay, so at the moment, I don't know what more there is to say about the product. So this was supposed to be an unboxing video. This is the box, Kokoon Relax Launch Edition, with a quick instruction here. We have the headphones in the travel case. Very soft headphones, very flexible. These are the sensors, and they are very soft, so they won't disturb your ears at all. Travel case and a hard case, used as a travel case should be. I hate it when they just give you like a pouch or something. Sleeping mask. 3.5 millimeter cable if you want to keep it wired. Very nice cable. And a small charger cable. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Ask me if you have any questions about this product, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.